Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how to make this easy St. Patrick's Day Jello dessert. The first thing I'm going to make is the Jello, and for that I'm just going to follow the package instructions. So to 2 cups of boiling water, I'm adding 1 package of lime Jello. I'm going to stir that for 2 minutes until it's dissolved. Next, I'm going to add 2 cups of cold water to that and give that a stir. And that's it, Jello is made. Now you can use anything you want, but I like these. I've had these glasses forever and I'm just reusing them. So I'm going to fill this halfway up. If you're making this for a lot of people, you might want to use something smaller, but this is just for my husband and I, so this is what I'm using. If you haven't been following me on Instagram yet, you can do so at Cooking with Shirani. I'm always sharing stuff over there, so come follow me. Now to make this all pretty, you're going to need a muffin pan. And no, we're not baking this. You're just going to take it and put it in the pan and tilt it. You're going to tilt it at an angle to get that slant shape. This is not totally necessary, but it just makes it cuter. Now I'm going to put this in the refrigerator to chill for 2 hours. I wanted to put some of the Jello in different glasses so you can see what it looks like, because I know not everyone will have the same thing. You don't want to fill it all the way up, at least halfway, because you want to leave room for the topping. Make sure you chill all of them for at least 2 hours to firm up. For your topping, you're going to need a piping bag or a Ziploc bag. And you're going to put some Cool Whip in there. And make sure you have your Cool Whip thawed out. And the way you do that is just to leave it in the refrigerator overnight and it will thaw out. I love Cool Whip. I could eat it just by itself. I just realized something. Last year I made a dessert for St. Patrick's Day and it was a pistachio cake and I used Cool Whip in the frosting. Oh my gosh, that was so good. I'm going to leave it linked below for you if you're interested. Okay, now it's been 2 hours and look at these. Look how pretty they look. Oh my goodness. Now all you have to do is pipe the Cool Whip in the glass and you want to fill it all the way up. Because I'm using a lot of Cool Whip in this recipe, I went ahead and bought 2 containers. Then you're going to top it off with a little bit of green sprinkles. How easy and cute is that? If you don't have a cake decorating tip to put in your bag, that's okay. You can just cut the tip off your Ziploc bag or whatever bag you're using. It's not going to look as pretty, but it will still work. I've had this one since 1950. That's why I'm using it. I'm not good at decorating anything, but I can handle this. I just can't get over how cute these are. Well, I hope you enjoyed this easy St. Patrick's Day dessert. It's so easy to make and it's so good. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Every thumbs up helps to get my videos out there. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't yet subscribed, please don't forget to do that. And I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.